Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening health report, Chamela Pullen looks at sugar consumption.
Sugar is an important source of energy. Your brain needs it to function optimally.
You can get it in different forms from foods. So you have the simple sugars that require little or no digestion. So, you drink sweet drinks, then you know that you're consuming sugar. But when you eat starchy foods, which is complex sugar, which has to be broken down in the body for you to get that sugar, you don't really taste the sweetness, but the more of those starchy foods you have, the more sugar you're really consuming.
But too much sugar can lead to weight gain. It may also cause serious health complications.
So weight gain is one of the main ones, but also your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes tends to be higher. For children who have poor oral hygiene practices, tooth decay is another challenge that we have to be mindful of. And also just getting addicted to the sweetness is something that we need to think about.
Women should have no more than 8 teaspoons of sugar daily and men no more than 9. If you are very active, like in construction, the limit is 11 teaspoons.
If you think of one slice of bread, for example, as a serving, then you recognize when you have a sandwich with 2 slices of bread that you've gone 2 out of your 6 already. That's if you're not very, active, you eat at the lower end of the spectrum, which is the 6 servings per day. And then when you have like a half cup of cooked cereal, whether it's rice or a small dumpling or other carbohydrate-rich food, just think of those as each one as a serving.
With your health report, I'm Chamela Pullen wishing you good health.